My name is Nozipho Mkhize. I'm the director responsible for ECD in the province. We are here in the branch curriculum strategic planning meeting where our role as ECD is to present to colleagues what we do in ECD, which is strengthening foundations for learning through the curriculum that we provide. So we're sharing our strategies that we use to capacitate and empower our practitioners so that they are able to deliver the relevant age appropriate curriculum to our birth to 4 years. We are here to provide guidance as they will be going out to their respective districts to plan. We have learned from the presentations today that we need to be guided by evidence-based studies. So colleagues have shared how we are doing as a province from the morning till now. Presenters were highlighting to us areas where we need to focus. So we are capacitating our colleagues from districts on the same strategies so that as they will be going back, for example, when they plan, they need to concentrate in the early grades because previously our focus has been on the FET band most of the time. But now we are shifting the focus. We want to instill strong foundations starting from ECD. So we are working closely with our partners to empower and capacitate our practitioners on the skills. We do have programs which equip them to teach through play, where we work together with our partners like VVOP through the Funda Udlale Nathi program. So we are encouraging our districts to do the same, make use of the partners in their respective districts so that we can all contribute towards ensuring strong foundations. Thank you.